today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, something crazy is about to happen for Bitcoin. I didn't upload a video for, I think, around 10-11 days for very good reason. Nothing was really happening. Nothing changed about my Bitcoin price prediction. Nothing changed. I didn't take any actions on my multi-million US dollar trade. In fact, the 11 million US dollar trade, which I'm going to show you in that video as well. I will talk about price targets, but right now is the moment to upload a video. Right now, we are on the cusp, on the verge of a very big move, and I want to talk about that. If you want more frequently the videos again, please smash the like button. Of course, leave your favorite altcoins down below. I am still collecting and I will upload my favorite altcoin video, but I want to do it in time. I don't want to do it and then people are just blindly buying and then altcoins are dumping. That is why I was recently not yet posting it. So leave your favorite altcoins down below. Let's go straight into the Bitcoin content and let's talk about what the heck is happening, but more importantly, what the heck is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term and in the midterm. Let's talk about that. I will talk about trade very shortly, but please guys, first of all, first things first, let's talk about the most important. And the most important is, let me start with the bad news. I have some bad news. I have some pretty good news, but let me start with the bad news. We have this month-long uptrend. This is the 4-hourly candles. Almost 1 month we were trending upwards. We were breaking it to the downside, wiping out the shorts, wiping out the longs, wiping out the shorts, and now Bitcoin is still hovering below previous support, which is now turning into new resistance. You have to understand that. We are on the 4-hourly. If you are trading the 4-hourly, we are below support. It's, in my opinion, not the time to open a short position, but it's for sure not the time to open a long position if you are trading on the 4-hourly candles right now. This is the bad news. Let me start with the good news. And before I am doing so, let me quickly show you my multi-million US dollar trade on Bitcoin. The Bitcoin trade having 11 million US dollars in position size. Right now, a profit of approximately 6.8 million plus $1 million in realized. So like 7-8 million US dollars. And there is already subtracted the funding fee, which is $1 million to be honest. And the Ethereum trade, 933,000 US dollars. So overall, we are like, I don't know, 7.5, 8.5, 9 million US dollars in a profit, right? We are always fluctuating between 8 million and 11 million US dollars on this trade, of course, as Bitcoin is trending sideways. Now, what can give us a clear overview over what is likely to happen within the next few days and weeks? If the short term is telling us, be cautious, what is the higher time frame telling us? Usually, you know it from our dear friend DaVinci J15, when in doubt, zoom out. I love this saying because it's absolutely true. When in doubt, we zoom out. Let me quickly see here which chart we are using for this. All right, there you go. I found a proper chart here, and let me show you exactly what I'm looking at. And I did talk about that before. Let me take the arc. And this is very important because the higher the time frame, dear ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very important to understand. The higher the time frame we are looking at on Bitcoin, the less likely we are to be wrong. The more likely specific indicators are likely to play out. The more you are going into the 4-hourly, 1-hourly, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute charts, the more you go into the time frame, the more likely it is that you're getting a fake out, the less likely it is that your statistical prediction is going to pan out. And here we are on the weekly. You could even on the 2-weekly paint this pattern here. What I want to show you is on the weekly. This is an arc and it actually shows us the cup, right? Not only that, not only that, it's showing us the cup here. Let me quickly go back and draw this again. I unfortunately accidentally deleted it. So this is the cup. Boom. And now I want to show you something very important, guys. With completing the painting of this pattern, I should have actually prepared that. But anyways, you have the handle here on the right side. And recently with the dump to the downside, just after the halving, April, and then the pump towards the upside, we are about to complete a potential handle. I am telling you guys, this is for sure the cup and this is for sure the handle. And we are in a bull market. Highest likelihood is, I'm not talking about like, I don't know, necessarily something like, I don't know, the daily time frame or the hourly time frame, but on the weekly time frame, you can see that we are most likely within the next 2 to 3 weeks going to see the break of this pattern. Within that time frame, we are allowed to have another drop down. That's very normal. It's possible. But within the next few weeks, more likely than not, we are going to break the 72,000 US dollar resistance. And if we are doing so, dear ladies and gentlemen, if we are doing so, we are looking at a price target of, and now I want to make a quick game. I want you to guess quickly. Down below in the comments, leave your price target for Bitcoin for the end of the year, because this would be my price target for the end of the year in a bullish scenario. Now I want to show you, but make the comment before, be honest, and then you can comment down below if you are right or wrong. Or if you actually caught my prediction here. But my prediction would be approximately 120 to 122,000 US dollars, dear ladies and gentlemen, on this cup and handle breakout for this year, for the break to happen within the next 2 to 4 weeks. Let me know what you think about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And dear ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to the channel. If you want to be trading as well on Bybit, on BitGet or wherever, I will leave you. I have my first cold since 3 years. That's why my eyes are a little bit red. 3 years no cold. You know what kind of amazing streak this is? And then you finally get a cold and like, I wanted to do 10 years. Anyways, if you want to be trading as well, like I'm trading it, big or small or whatever you want, you get an up to 30,000 US dollars on each of the exchanges, 60,000 US dollars in total on Bybit, on BitGet. Link down below, pin comment, video description. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one. MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always.